Good PM, ngayon po ay Thursday, October 26, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, October 26, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 26, 2023 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, October 26, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Lotto 642 estimated jackpot price is 22 million pesos for October 26, 2023, Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, October 26, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.